Hi, Carolina here, and today I'm gonna share with you how you are canceling out your own manifestations. And if you are done canceling out your manifestation, that you have to listen that. How we are doing that is when you are on Monday full of ideas, creative, you're just excited about that things that you want to attract or manifest. And then on Tuesday, you are miserable. You're like, what's the point? It's not gonna happen anyway. You're feeling helpless, and it's like you just becoming negative actually. Start having these negative talks. So I'm gonna tell you the secret. The secret to manifest fast and stop canceling a manifestation is to being consistent. The way how you think. And even you have maybe not so happy day, we all have them, let's be honest, but you still have to stay with this belief, I'm gonna make it, it's gonna happen. Yes, today I'm feeling maybe not so happy because maybe this happened or this happened, because it's very healthy to process the emotions and not pretending nothing is happening. You don't want that as well. But okay, I'm gonna feel the sadness, I'm gonna feel the anger. However, I still believe I can manifest that most compatible partner in my life. I can manifest that amazing opportunity. I can have my own business. I can heal my body. I can, maybe move to different place or travel or whatever you want. So you have to stay consistent with these high vibes, no matter what is going on in your life. And it doesn't mean that you need to pretend and suppress your emotions. When I am going through things show up, I literally sitting with myself, feeling the anger or feeling the frustration or feeling the sadness, because I know this is just emotions, is the energy of that. I am not that. I am not that emotion. After a few minutes, I shift that emotions, but I am still in belief it's gonna happen. Because you have to believe in miracles. You have to believe that everything is possible. You can manifest anything. So stay consistent. This is the secret. So if this inspired you, I'm inviting you to join my membership for women, where we diving deep, doing amazing work, covering every topic that we face in daily life, so we can change every single area of our life. This moment we have special promo. It's only $28 per month. It's nothing. You probably spend this money on silly things. And every month we're gonna be working on different topic. 1 month we're working on money mindset, another month we are working on sensuality, sexuality, or manifesting more love, or opening for abundance. And we have amazing community of women, and we supporting each other with all the manifestations. So if this speaks for you, just, grab that special discount, click the link below, and I will be so happy to, welcoming you in our community.